Welcome to OWASP Bricks training. In this video, I will walk you through the installation of OWASP Bricks. Download Bricks from the website and extract it. Copy-paste the extracted folder onto the web server. Go to phpMyAdmin and create a database for Bricks. Open the local website on your browser and navigate to Bricks directory. Bricks will automatically take you to the configuration page. Fill in the form appropriately and submit it. After submitting the form, a file will get downloaded. Copy-paste that file onto the Bricks directory on your web server and refresh the configuration page. Click on the Setup Database button for once. After that, go back to the phpMyAdmin page and ensure that a new user table is created. That's it. Installation is finished, and you can start breaking the bricks.